Welcome home to the good life at Logan Heights. Live life to the fullest in our peaceful, garden-style community where we cater to you. Whether you're having a walk with your pet around the scenic lake or playing games at our outdoor playground with the kids, we offer our residents a top-flight amenity package. Work up a sweat in our fully equipped fitness center, splash around in the cool resort-style swimming pool, or hang out surrounded by palm trees on the fabulous sun deck. Stay connected in the business center with computer and internet access. At Logan Heights, our roomy and affordable 1-, 2-, and 3-bedroom floor plans feature large walk-in closets and washers and dryers for your convenience. Lots of windows let the sunlight in, and ceiling fans help to keep things cool. Enjoy preparing meals in the fully equipped kitchen featuring plenty of counter space and ample storage. Our favorable location near downtown Sanford offers easy access to public transportation as well as major highways and thoroughfares. Local grocers and convenience stores are right around the corner, and entertainment is always just minutes away at a wide variety of restaurants, coffee shops, and taverns. Make an appointment to visit us soon and find out why you should call Logan Heights home.